Before we can begin study screening in JBI Summary, we need to establish the rules for screening within our project. To do this, we can go to the Screening tab underneath the Overview pane. Here, we are presented with the different rules that the project will abide by when undergoing study screening. By default, the number of users needed to complete screening will always be at 2. However, this can be changed to minimum 1 or maximum 10 users. For the time being, we will just keep this to be 2. You will also see all the people that are currently involved in the project that can currently participate in the study screening process. Now, because of the roles that we've assigned all of our users, everyone can be involved in screening. The last option we have under this Screening tab is the reasons for study exclusion. Now, these reasons are important when we come to full text screening, which will be a later video in this series. Every time that we exclude a study at full text, we need to specify a reason why that study does not meet our inclusion criteria. Summary will pre-populate with a default list of exclusion reasons that are relevant to your review type. Because this is an effectiveness review, ineligible intervention, ineligible comparator, and ineligible outcomes are present. These would change if, for example, this was, say, a qualitative review. You will also notice that we can add our own reason that we may want to exclude a study. Let's just say, for example, we may want to exclude a study because they had not the appropriate age of participants. So, for example, we could do age of participants was less than 18 years, and I can click Add. Now, the list has been updated, and the reason that I've excluded has been presented here.